Hi everyone, so this is the portable car vacuum cleaner, the high power corded handheld vacuum with 16-foot cable, 12-volt best car auto accessory kit for detailing and cleaning car interior. It's a bestseller on Amazon with 11,000 review, and it's sold at $37.99 without tax. That's about 40 something with tax. Okay, I'm gonna open it up and see what it comes with. Alright. So that's it. That's the box. Let's tear it up and see. So here's the box. The brand Wordplay ThisWorx, authentic product by ThisWorx. That's a brand. Pretty tiny. So small hose. Little brush. Tiny filter. Everything very tiny. Tiny brush. This air freshener, turning back, and a nozzle. Okay, so let's put this in here. We're gonna use this here. And the actual vacuum manual. So this is a flexible hose. They're very small. Okay? Narrow tube nozzle and a brush nozzle. And a filter. Okay. So it's the 16 feet foot that you can plug into your car, 12 volt, the cigarette lighter. So they came with an extra filter because they already have the filter there. So put my little hose right here. Or you just put this straight in here. Or you do this. Feel really light, so I don't know how well it works, but it's very well reviewed on Amazon. I will plug it and try it out. So this portable car vacuum is a high power corded vacuum handheld with 16-foot cable. They're good for cleaning car detail interior. It feature keep your car professional level clean. No more crumb, dust, or dirt. With our ThisWorx portable car vacuum cleaner, you'll be free of any wet or dry messes, even liquid cigarette ashes or pet hair. Powerful yet tiny, our handheld vacuum weighs about 2.4 pounds, and it has high power, 106 watt, 106 watt, and 8.8 amp motor. So it comes 8.8 amp motor, metal turbine for the ultimate suction power. So the 16 feet should cover your whole car, and then plug in the lighter port for maximum coverage. Cleaning make it easy. So this hand vacuum ensure you can reach all the nook and cranny in your car. That's why they make it really tiny, from the hose to the actual vacuum. And it's easy to empty it out. The protective lid keep the trash inside at all time. It's have 3 features: 3 all-purpose nozzle and a carrying bag, and a special filter cleaning brush. And a spare HEPA filter. Also, this is a HEPA filter. So it came with a install one and a spare one, which is nice. And it's really work. The brand is ThisWorx, and they say it really work. With positive, our handheld vacuum will revolutionize your car cleaning habit. But just in case you ever had issue with it, our customer support team is ready to assist you with no question asked. Replacement, right? So if you don't like, for how or whatever reason, they will replace it for free. And of course it's prime, so you can refund however you need if you're not completely satisfied. But then it's they voted like 4.7 on lightweight, which is, yes, it's very lightweight. Port lane is good, 4.7 star. Easy to use, 4.6 star. Easy to clean, 4.6. Suction power, sorry, 3.8, which is almost 4, but not that good enough. For deep cleaning, 3.5. So it doesn't really do deep cleaning as well. But that's rated on Amazon. Alright, okay guys, we'll see you in the next video. If you find it helpful or entertaining in any way, please like, subscribe, and comment and share if you could. It would help a lot. I'm doing this to help out other people that are interested in the same product. Just like me, I go on YouTube and look for review, like real review from other people, to see what they say about the product. And it's I learn a lot from YouTube, so I'm just giving it back to YouTube community. If everybody come through to see what the product is like. Alright guys, thank you and have a good day. I'll see you next time.